Hello there. In this video I'm going to tell you how to shave your head and grow a mustache. It's much easier than you might have thought, innit? No. I really regret it. I really wish I could undo what I've done to myself. This is highly embarrassing. That's better. This is the 0.03mm poly hairpiece from Lordhair. It is better than being bald. So it blends in nicely. I've actually got it cut just here for a frontal, a partial, and yeah. I started having a short hairpiece a couple of days ago, but this one is actually much better. For a start off, this is actually the front of the hairpiece, the bit that you would normally get when you buy a hairpiece and you have it that big. Well, I cut it into 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3, like that. And this is actually a front section, so it's all actually going forward, which is brilliant. Which means that it behaves itself a lot better. Yeah. By the way, you can get 20% off if it's your first purchase for a Lordhair hairpiece by using my coupon code when you check out. You have to log in to lordhair.com, and then when you're checking out, use my coupon code StickOnHair, all one word, no capitals. And then you'll get 20% off, which is amazing, because if you get like $1,000 worth of stuff, you're going to save $200. You know what I mean? Yeah. I strongly recommend it. But you can only use it on the first purchase. So if you've used it with your account before, you can't use it again. Sorry. 1 per customer. But yeah. Having hair is so much better, I've got to say. This is another idea of what you could look like if you were bald. Where is it? I found it before. It's pretty cool. I think this filter is called... Oh, he's disappeared. I'm pretty happy with it. Here's one I haven't seen yet. Try this one. Actually, this doesn't make me lose my hair. This makes me seem like I want to tell you a story. Oh. This is Snap Camera. It's a filter on PC. Love it. But now give me all your fucking money. I need your money. Give me your money. What else is there? What's this one? Oh, it just makes me look divine. Ooh, yes, la. It's like I'm wearing makeup or something. Is this one sunglasses? No, just highlights or something. I am the night. What's this one? Green. Yeah, okay. What's this one? No, boring. What's this one? Oh, see, this is what you get. You get your hair back, and fuck, life is just so much better. I can't tell you how much better life actually is now. So get it. Lordhair.